guys, I know it's been a while, but I am back. So basically I'll give you a brief rundown. The van failed its MOT on a few little issues which are now being resolved. Okay, so we're back in business. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do today is I am going to decorate the van. So this is what I've got. Alright, so I've got this little throw because home base is closing down, so I'm going to just chuck this blanket all over like I did with that red one. Chuck it over there. Got some weird little pillows here, as you can see, and then make the van a bit more homely like, you know. Yeah, other than that I've not been doing much since I've been away. Anyway, let's get on with this. Oh, isn't that fluffy? Should always keep this if you're making a van, handy for some templates. Oh my god, already better. Look at that, and all I've done is put a throw on it. How about that? Check it out, guys. Oh, that's don't know what that is. There we go. Already better. So, pillow time. I wanted the lime green ones, but there wasn't any, so go for these ones. Sort of matches the colour of my chopping board. Handy. Oh my god. Oh, I should be an interior designer. Look at that. Hell to the yeah. So for my next part of how to bodge a van together, I'm going to use some of this. because if any of you have noticed, my kitchen side here is just wood, and I was going to paint it, but I couldn't be dealing with the paint fumes, so I'm just going to apply some of this to the top of it, something I can wipe clean and stuff. Oh, hi fans. Only joking. Alright, so this is my next plan of action. They made it look so easy on the instructions. Okay, so let's put a bed and do it. Alright, so this freaking roll of crap is really stressing me out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hopefully complete it, and then I'll show you before and after. Okay, because otherwise everything's going to get launched about and it'll turn into some sort of UFC video, and I don't want that. Okay, so yeah, so I'll show you before and after. Right, so let's show me. Show me. Stop. Cut. Right, so let's show you what I've done so far. So there we go. You've got the unit here. These things here are obviously going to get changed. They're just temporarily there for now. Block out the light. And there's my little pillows, my grey throw on the bed. So there we go. It's getting there. Slowly but surely it's getting there. Yeah, well, another short video. So I've got a few more bits I need to do. Hopefully, like I mentioned, I think I mentioned before, some splashback up there. I'm hoping, well, it's got to be some sort of green colour now. But yeah, that's it, guys. Alright, so I'll see you next time. Hang around, stay tuned. Obviously, if you don't want to miss the video, then please subscribe and thumbs up. And leave a comment. Nasty, nice, not too fussed. Alright, so anyway, guys, catch you later.